useful in the many ways. It is durable, lightweight, low cost, and easy to use product. It is made up of synthetic like material called petroleum, crude oil, or natural gases through a chemical process called polymerization and polykondensation. What is plastic pollution? Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic in the environment in the way which harms the nature, humans, and animals. So, but not today, even from the last 2 3 years, plastic has become one of the biggest problems to the environment and the life of animals in the world. According to the report of 2017 to 2018, Central Pollution Control Board of India declared that around 9.4 million tons per annum of plastic waste is produced by India, and around 5.4 billion tons, 5.6 million tons per annum of plastic waste is recycled, and around 3.8 million tons per annum of plastic waste is uncollected and literated. What are the main reasons for plastic pollution? Main reasons for plastic pollution are low awareness, lack of awareness, low recycling rate, excessive production of plastic, and non-biodegradable nature, etc. Plastic is very harmful to our environment in many ways. So plastic pollutes our land, air, and water, and it also reduces the fertility of soil and make the water pollute and chokes into water bodies. Marine life and animals often die after eating or getting trapped in it. On burning plastic, it releases the toxic gases which pollutes the air, and microplastic enters in our food chain which harms the environment and the life in many ways and causes several diseases. So what we can do and how we can solve this problem? We can solve this problem by using the concept of 4 R's: reduce, reuse, recover, and recycle. Reduce of plastic, which discourage disposable plastic, use reusable one instead of using the plastic one like disposable cups, plates, straws, etc. Minimize the use of plastic items and buying of plastic water bottle instead of use a reusable water bottle, and minimize the use of plastic utensils, use metal or earthen pots instead of using plastic ones. What is reusing in plastic? Reusing of plastic means again the use of plastic instead of throwing or dumping it, which helps in reducing the demand for new plastic and reduces the demand for energy and also saves our energy and resources. What is the meaning of recycle in the terms of plastic? Recycling means reutilization and the reconsumption of plastic. These have many several advantages. These advantages are: first, environment. It reduces environmental pollution. Second, economic benefits, generates employment and energy saving in many ways. It also reduces the demand for virgin plastic. What is the meaning of recovery in this field? The meaning of recovery means reuse of plastic, converting of plastic into reusable things instead of throwing or dumping it. It includes processes like plastic to fuel conversion or energy reconversion, recovery from incineration, which also helps reduce the landfill waste for health and energy production. It also supports sustainable waste management and reduces pollution. Recycling methods of plastic, plastic to road construction, plastic to waste management, plastic to toilets and pavement blocks, reducing plastic. Whenever I went out of my house, I see stray animals eating the plastic. I was deeply shaken by this problem. I saw them, they eat plastic and this plastic gets accumulated in their stomach and they become ill and die. I thought of an idea to deal with this problem. I made an innovative idea, that is plastic eating dustbin, which uses the special enzyme like phytase and amphytase enzyme, which along with the Hydronella recognizes the bacteria which helps to convert this harmful plastic into eco-friendly products. And this also, what is the importance of this project? We can use this project to reduce the environmental pollution and And I suggest the government, I recommend the government to launch a program, Plastic Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, which helps to reduce the plastic pollution. This is a separate national program. In this, we ban plastic and promotes the alternatives which are eco-friendly. A strong awareness, efforts for recycling, and some strict laws which are ritual for plastic free Bharat. So we take the pledge today to reduce the use of plastic and we all protect our planet. Which protecting Earth is not our duty. It is not our choice. It is our duty to protect our Earth. Be a change, reduce, reuse, recycle and recovery. जैसे कि आपके सामने मैंने ये प्लास्टिक आइटम्स रखे हैं और उधर की साइड में इको फ्रेंडली अल्टरनेटिव, जैसे कि हम प्लास्टिक की ग्लास यूज करते हैं, बोतल्स यूज करते हैं, उसकी जगह हम जो ये मिट्टी की हमारी गिलास हो गई, कटोरी स्टील की और जो हांडी हो गई, हम वुडन स्पून का यूज कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि मैंने मेरे चार्ट में भी लिखा है कि हम जो इंडिया जो कंजप्शन कर रहा था, जो भी हमारे पीछे वेस्ट ओवर बच जाता है, वो अराउंड 1.78 करोड़ मिलियन टन 2017 के अंदर बचा था। तो अभी भी हम बहुत पीछे हैं। और जैसे कि ये जो स्टील की बोतल्स और भी जो मैंने यहाँ पे रखा, हम इसका यूज़ कर सकते हैं। अब जो मैंने प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है, इसका आइडिया मेरे को बाहर जाकर जो अच्छा खाती उसी को देखकर मिला। थैंक यू एंड जय।